Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Nat Hoffman.
Taking a look at current temperatures right now, we're sitting at 51 degrees in Medford, 48 in Grants Pass, 40 in Klamath Falls. We're only in the 30s right now in Lakeview as well as up in Chemult. And it's 52 currently in Gold Beach. These temperatures much more chilly than what we saw over the weekend in the 40s in Montague and Mount Shasta. We've also had quite a bit of wet weather rolling through the region. Still quite a bit of shower activity along and west of the Cascades. A batch of scattered showers now starting to push into Josephine County. We have some rain working through the Ashland area right now. Not a lot as you head east of the Cascades. Eventually, as we head through the overnight, we're going to see these rain snow showers becoming less and less numerous, but definitely we will be seeing the most activity along and west of the Cascades, kind of what we're seeing right now. Some showers extending down into Siskiyou County with snow up in the mountains. Road conditions are looking good, but as temperatures drop tonight, roads will get slippery, especially through the Cascades. Take a look at rainfall totals today. Impressive towards Curry County. This is since midnight, over an inch falling in Gold Beach. 3,200ths of an inch being picked up in Grants Pass. We've picked up 1,500ths in Medford. Lighter totals as you head into the basin and for a good chunk of Siskiyou County. But we have more wet weather on the way. We're going to have these lingering showers as we head into tonight. Amounts fairly light. Most spots 1/10 of an inch or less. But locally, especially up in some of the higher terrain, we will see some higher precipitation totals. Tonight, with any breaks in the clouds, we could see some fog develop in some of our west side valleys. We'll be watching that closely. Otherwise, temperatures pretty chilly, down to 28 in Klamath Falls, 34 in Wairika, and 40 in Grants Pass. So this storm system will get the lingering impacts tonight into tomorrow, but here's the next storm on the way, and this is going to pack some even heavier precipitation as well as some stronger winds for southern Oregon and northern California. Tomorrow, we're going to be kind of in between systems. Still quite a bit of clouds out there. We'll have some lingering showers, especially along and west of the Cascades in southern Oregon. Temperatures cool, but a little bit seasonal actually, with the mid-50s for highs in Grants Pass and Medford, 46 in Klamath Falls, and 46 in Mount Shasta. As we head into tomorrow evening, the impacts from this next storm system will begin. First, for the coast, winds are going to get strong out of the south. Tomorrow night, we're talking gusts up to 50 to as much as 60 miles per hour. Also, some strong winds developing in the Shasta Valley into Wednesday morning, and some strong winds as well for the east side and higher elevations in the region. The Rogue Valley, though, we could be looking at some gusts, especially towards the south end of the valley, getting as high as 45 miles per hour. We have wind advisories in place for the Rogue Valley, portions of the east side, but look at the high wind warnings that we have in place for the Shasta Valley with this next storm, and along the coast where we could be looking at gusts as high as 60 miles per hour. So this wind, this next system is going to really pack some strong winds for southern Oregon and northern California. So here's how things play out with rain and snow. A little bit of a lull in the action tomorrow. Still a fair amount of clouds, but then here comes the heavier precipitation tomorrow night on into Wednesday. Rain, higher elevation snow. Most of the significant snowfall amounts will be above about 5,000 feet, but a pretty beneficial precipitation coming to the entire region. And then we'll still see scattered rain and higher elevation snow showers continuing through much of Thursday. Here's precipitation amounts with this next storm tomorrow night through at least Thursday morning, and some very heavy rainfall amounts expected towards the coast and coastal mountains, upwards of 2 to 6 inches of rainfall, but we'll have some pretty beneficial precipitation throughout the region. Higher elevations, we're going to be dealing with snow impacts definitely Wednesday into Thursday, especially our higher passes along the Cascades. Your 7-day forecast shaping up like this. More rain on the way, heavy as well Tuesday night into Wednesday. For Northern California, we'll get some more wet weather Wednesday. Gusty winds, especially in the Shasta Valley. Some of that starting Tuesday night. For the Klamath Basin, we'll see more rain and snow with that next system on Wednesday, and then some lingering rain and snow showers later in the week as well. A break in the action comes Saturday. The mountains expect more difficult travel at times Wednesday into Thursday. We will also see some slippery roads through the Cascades tonight into tomorrow morning. so give yourself a little extra time if you're going to be heading over the pass early. And then in the Rogue Valley, we're going to see the chance for showers tomorrow. Not a washout by any means, but heavy rain on the way for Wednesday. Gusty winds expected as well. And after a break in the action on Saturday, we're tracking another storm system Sunday into Monday.